Bird Beak Adaptations by Tracy Barker. Have you ever wondered why birds have different beaks with different shapes and sizes? Well, I have. I'm going to use the scientific method to answer the question, how do bird beak adaptations help them to survive in a specific environment? This is the first step in the scientific method. The second step is to conduct research. I found an awesome website about bird beak adaptations. I chose to focus on the bird with a scoop beak. This beak allows a bird to scoop up food. I will focus on this bird during the experiment. I will use a spoon to represent the scoop beak. I will try to pick up as many food items as possible within 2 minutes. The food items are birdseed, plastic worms, rice, raisins, cooked spaghetti, noodles, and water. The next step, my hypothesis, is that if I use the spoon, I will be able to pick up the most raisins. Here we go. Here are the food items that I picked up in 2 minutes. Analyze data. This spreadsheet shows the amount of food items that I collected with the spoon. I collected 3 pieces of rice, 5 cooked spaghetti noodles, and 22 raisins. I did not collect any birdseed, plastic worms, or water. The graph shows that I collected more raisins than any other food item. My conclusion based on my data is that birds have different shapes and sizes of beaks because these adaptations allow them to gather food and survive in different ecosystems. For example, the pelican scoops up food with its beak, just like I picked up raisins using the spoon. Raisins could represent small fish.